This is my misting system that I've got set up to cool my deck. I'm in Central Texas and the humidity is 50% right now, 91 degrees. And I'm standing in a cool mist and it's not getting anything wet. What you're seeing is a $20 Ryobi misting kit that has 6 nozzles. I have replaced 4 of the stock nozzles with .008 nozzles, which I'll explain in a minute, period. Those 4 you can see putting out the majority of the mist, and then over here where you see even more mist are the stock nozzles. The problem with the stock nozzles is that they put out bigger water droplets and it causes things to get wet. So I have them pointed away from the deck where they just blow into the deck occasionally, whereas the majority of the water is coming from the smaller nozzle misters. Right now you're seeing the nozzles powered by a booster pump, which takes 40 pound per square inch water from the water hose and boosts it up to 160 pounds per square inch. Next, I will show you the booster pump and what it looks like without the booster pump running. This is the booster pump that I paid about $107 for at Lowe's, period. It's made by Orbit, and it does require a pressure reducing valve, which costs probably more like $50 in it from Home Depot to reduce the pressure to the 40 pounds per square inch that the pump requires. Now I'm going to turn it off. You can hear it running. It's very quiet. Now it's turned off. Now let's go look at the mist with the pump turned off. You can see there's quite a less volume of mist being produced with the pump turned off. Over here where the larger nozzles are, you can see that they are still putting out a good amount of mist, but they're much bigger water droplets. In fact, even the .008 nozzles that I have here that I bought from a company called Aeromist, that's A-E-R-O-M-I-S-T, and they cost about $5.95 a piece. Even those are putting out bigger water droplets. This is with the pump on, and you can see the copious amount of mist that it puts out. Before, I had the misters mounted along the top of the deck and the rafters, but all they did is get the deck floor wet. I think I might be able to put them back there now without getting the deck floor wet and get a much more direct dropping of the mist. However, every time I come out here, the wind predominantly blows this mist my direction, and this seems to be really satisfactory.